Hello friends, my name is MD Faiz Ahmed and I am a student of advanced spoken English classes Bhilai 3 in front of New Police Station. So now I would like to tell a story, a small story. So let's start. A story's name is The Lion and a Mouse. Once there was a lion in a jungle. He was sleeping. A mouse lived nearby, and one day a mouse came out its hole and it began to jump over the lion. The lion woke up and he caught to the mouse. The mouse begged for mercy, and the lion took pity on it and he let it go. After some time, a hunter came into the jungle and he cast his net on the jungle. The same lion caught in it and he began to roar. The same mouse heard his roar and he came out its hole and he cut all nets. The lion was free and he thanked for the mouse. So do good. The moral of the story is do good, have good. Thank you very much for listening my small stories.